Before opening the box, check the package and label. If there is any damage, please take photos for proof and contact our company in time. If the package is intact, please use scissors or knife to cut the packing strap carefully. Remove the outer package and the protective film of the device. Untie the nut and release the binding. Press metal spring button and turn the buckle 180 degrees. Press the 2 button at the same time and pull the buckle outward. Lift the dental machine from the wooden base and place it on the ground. Take out the accessories box from the wooden base. Power cord and adapter socket. Distilled water bottle and disinfectant bottle. 1000 milliliters and 500 milliliters collection bottles. Disposable suction head. Dental handpiece oil. User manual. Certificate. Note card. Polishing paste. Disposable polishing head. High-speed handpiece spur. Coolant water connecting pipe. Nozzle of spray gun. Ultrasonic scaler machine. Pedal of scaler. Power cord of scaler. Water pipe. Limiting wrench. User manual of scaler. Scaler handpiece. Tips of scaler. Adjust the knob of the operating table. Lift the operating table to the appropriate height and tighten. Take out the power cable as well as handpieces one by one and remove the foam. Put the handpieces into the corresponding holder one by one. From right to left. High-speed handpiece. Low-speed handpiece. Water gas fog spray gun. Suction. Install the suction collection bottle and handpiece collection bottle to the corresponding position. Install the distilled water bottle with blue label to the corresponding position. Install the disinfectant bottle with black label to the corresponding position. Connect the water connecting pipe between the scaler machine and the water outlet of dental machine. Then tighten the fixing screw. Connect the pedal with the scaler machine. Connect the power cable between the scaler machine and the dental machine. Take out the scaler and connect it to the machine. Insert the adapter socket and connect the power cable to the dental machine. Insert the power cord of the dental machine into the leftmost power port. Insert the power cord of the compressor into the rightmost power port. Insert the disposable suction head into the S-junction handpiece. Put on the power switch and compressor would start pumping to the air tank. After the inflation is completed, the pressure of left gauge is about 8 bar, and the pressure of right gauge is 5 to 6 bar. It's considered to be normal if the initial pressure decreased by no more than 10% after 10 minutes of non-use. Turn on the coolant pressure switch. Adjust the water knob of the scaler machine to the maximum position. Adjust the power knob of the scaler machine to the maximum position. Press the pedal and check the function of scaler. Take off the suction. Press pedal and check the power of suction. Take off the three-way spray gun. Turn the toggle switch to the left. Press the left button to spray water. Turn the toggle switch to the right. Press the left button to spray disinfectant. Press the right button to spray air. Press both of the buttons to spray fog. Please use RWD lubricant to lubricate the handpieces every time, before and after using for 30 minutes. Take off the motor part of the low-speed handpiece. Add 1 to 2 drops of lubricating oil into the second largest hole. Connect the handle. Press the pedal and check the function. Take off the motor part of the high-speed handpiece. Add 1 to 2 drops of lubricating oil into the second largest hole. Connect the handle. Press the pedal and check. Remove the 500 ml exhaust bottle and check the filter in the purple outlet. It is suggested to replace the filter every 6 months or when it is dirty. Check if the 2 valves under the platform could adjust the rotation speed of the handpieces. Remove the water or disinfectant bottle and replace the filter if it is blocked. Remove the disposable suction head and regulator from the suction handpiece. The disposable suction head is autocultivable and should be replaced after each operation. The tip of spray gun could be removed for cleaning and autocultivating. Slightly press the outer lock ring to remove it. Rotate the lock ring. Remove the polishing head and pull out the top part of low-speed handpiece. The polishing head is disposable and the top part of low-speed handpiece is autocultivable. Press the button and pull the burr outwards. Hold the quick connector ring buckle, and then pull out the top part of the handpiece. The top part of high-speed handpiece is autocultivable. Remove the tip with the limiting wrench and pull out the scaler. The tip of scaler is autocultivable. Accessories display. Observe the collection bottle. If the liquid level is close to the black muffler in the bottle, pour it manually. It is recommended